Hi, welcome back to another video about Google Education, and today we are going to see how to log in Classroom and how to use it. So first thing, you will receive an email, has an invitation to join a class. It's going to look like that. And you click on Rejoindre le cours. And you are in. Important things on Classroom is first the Google Meet link is here, so you don't have to look for it. It's already there. Every communication will be here. So le flux, and everybody can write something here and just publish it. And then you got travaux et devoirs, where you're going to have everything you need as work or just things you need to, like documentation you need to. And that's it.